what's up guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're going to talk about all the products that you need to maintain, clean, and protect your leather so it looks great for years. Now, if your vehicle has a leather interior, like leather seats or leather door panels or other leather trim, you're going to want to make sure that your leather stays looking good for years by using the proper products and the proper techniques to make sure that your leather doesn't crack, it doesn't fade, and it doesn't become discolored. Now, the leather on the inside of your car is designed to last for the lifetime of your vehicle. So if you take care of it and you make sure it looks good, it's gonna stay looking great for the entire life of the vehicle. So whether you're enjoying your car as a show car or a daily driver, it's great to pick the right leather products to keep your car looking great. So now, right here with us today in the shop, we have all of our Masterson's leather care products right here in the shop. Now, this is the full package that you need to keep your leather in your vehicle looking great, whether you have a car, a truck, or you have a motorcycle and you want to keep your leather motorcycle parts looking great, like your seat and your saddlebags, or your leather gear, like your jackets and your boots. This is going to be the perfect collection to get your leather looking great. Plus, we have accessories like applicator pads, brushes, and microfiber towels to make sure that your leather stays looking great. So let's talk about our Masterson's leather care package right here today at the shop. And when you're dealing with leather, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean the leather first. Now, right here we have our Masterson's leather cleaner. Now, our Masterson's leather cleaner is a great way to clean off the dirt from leather. Now, your leather interior, whether it's your seats or you have motorcycle parts like saddlebags or jackets, or even on the inside of the car, some vehicles have leather dashboards and door panels. You're gonna wanna make sure you clean it because body oil and food and grease can get on the leather and your leather can start to look shiny. So if your leather actually looks shiny and it's not matte, that means that your leather is embedded with oils and contaminants on the leather. And our Masterson's leather cleaner is the perfect way to start off the leather care process to make sure that it looks great. Now, our Masterson's leather cleaner works on all colors and it's a clear formula. So if you see right here on the camera, it's actually clear. There's no color and there's no dyes in this. That way it's gonna work on all types of leather, whether it's black, it's tan, it's white, and it also works on synthetic and natural leather as well. Now, this is a concentrated formula, so you can dilute this up to 6:1 with clean water. So whether you have dirty leather and you wanna use it at full strength and restore years of dirt and grime off the leather, or you want to clean a new vehicle that has some jean stains or some dirt on the leather, this is a great way to do it. And this is actually a sprayable formula, so you can use it with brushes. Now, I like to use it with our Masterson's. This is a horsehair brush. This is a boar's hair brush. The boar's hair brush cleans the leather and pulls the dirt off. Now, we also have a horsehair brush. Horsehair and boar's hair are both very good for cleaning leather and restoring leather. This is great for deep scrubbing, and this is great for softer finishing. Now, the more aggressive boar's hair is great for scrubbing off dirt and contamination off the leather itself. And that way your leather stays looking good, but the boar's hair will never harm the leather. Now, the great thing about our leather cleaner is it has no scent. So it's not gonna smell the leather up with any type of citrus or added smells. It's clean, it has no smell, but this cleaner is actually made using the natural pH of leather. So what does that mean? We actually take leather, we extract the natural pH, the natural oils, and we're using this to infuse the natural leather chemicals back into the leather itself. Now, on all leather vehicles, seats or jackets, what you're doing is leather is pulled off the hide after the animal died. And that way this leather is actually always dead and it's continuously dying and drying. And what you're doing is you're using cleaning products and conditioning products to condition back the leather, keep it soft, and keep it looking great for years. So I like to start off using our leather cleaner. Now, this doesn't just work on leather seats. It works on jackets, boots, luggage, purses, bags, wallets, belts. This works on all types of leather goods, not just on your vehicle. So if you want to pick up this leather product or leather cleaner or any of our other accessories, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com. You can pick up everything you need to get your leather looking great. So now let's talk about our next step. After you clean the leather, you want to go ahead and use our Masterson's leather conditioner. This is one of our best-selling leather products because people love the natural smell of our leather conditioner. Now, our leather conditioner is fortified with natural leather extracts that we extract from true leather. And then also inside this formula is aloe and vitamin E extract. So that way you're putting back the natural vitamins, the natural nourishment back into the leather, and it sinks deep into the pores. Now this leather conditioner is a cream, so it's super easy to apply. We have an applicator pad right here. We can actually put a little bit on the applicator pad to show you what it looks like. Look at this cream formula. It's actually a true cream, so you only use a little bit, and this is like lotion for the leather. Remember, leather is the hide of the beast. It's actual animal skin. So if you're infusing back a lotion back into the lotion's gonna sink deep into the pores, and it's gonna make the leather feel soft and supple again. Now, the biggest damaging factor of leather is cracking and fading and discoloration. Now what happens is leather dries out, the sun beats on it, and then the leather starts to crack. And once leather starts to crack, there's nothing you can do to fix the leather. The leather's gone forever. But our Masterson's leather conditioner is going to sink deep into the pores and then fortify the leather, strengthen it, and soften it again. So I love using this leather. This is conditioner. This is a cream formula, and it works on all colors. Plus, it actually has a natural leather scent inside of the leather formula. I'm gonna smell it right now. Wow, this really does smell like new leather. So if you've ever been in a brand new car that smells like new leather, man, it's such an amazing aroma. And I love this product because it brings back that aroma. I love using this on older cars, especially German cars like Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, Audi, cars that are much older and they had high quality leather. This leather conditioner just brings back the smell and the essence, and it makes your car feel like new. So if you have an older car, you can make your older car feel new again using our Masterson's leather conditioner. And this also works on leather jackets, leather boots, leather bags. It also works on sofas and chairs. And this combo right here, the leather cleaner and conditioner, is actually what I use on all my motorcycle gear. And I love riding motorcycles. And when you want to stay safe on the road, you gotta wear true leather gear. So I actually have a set of high-end Italian leather suits, jackets, and boots that I wear when I'm on the road. And when you're on the road, your leather gets dirty, especially my suit. It's actually a pure white leather suit, so you know it gets dirty, you know it's gonna get bugs. And our leather cleaner takes off all the bugs, all the dirt, all the stains, and then our leather conditioner makes my suit and my jackets feel so soft again. So if you want to see more videos about us using our leather cleaner and our leather conditioner, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out all the other videos we have using our leather cleaner and conditioner combo on all different types of leather. It works on perforated seats, standard leather seats. This is just a great combo to make your leather feel new again and clean, because when you clean the leather and you condition it, the leather is going to feel softer, more supple, easier to use, and it's gonna last for years. So this is a great combo to use. Now our last leather care product we have right here is actually our leather scented air freshener. This is actually a new item right here. So if you have an older car that's lost its leather scent, this is a great way to bring that scent back to your car. Now I have a lot of older vehicles in my collection, and they all have leather inside the vehicle, but they don't have that brand new smell. Have you ever gotten inside of a brand new car, one right from the dealer that has a leather interior? It smells amazing. The smell just smells so good. It smells like your favorite leather jacket or your favorite pair of boots. And when you're inside the car, it makes it an amazing driving experience. But over the years of having people in the car, wind moving through the car's age, it loses that smell. And this is a great way to bring that smell back with our Masterson's leather scented air freshener. Now this is actually an odor eliminator as well. So what you do is you spray this in the car and it eliminates all those nasty pet odors, food odors. Let's say you got some nasty dirt odors or some smells or cigarette smells in the car. This is gonna pull it out and make the car smell like new again. You can actually take this and spray it in a Honda Civic that has synthetic leather, and it smells like real leather. So let's say your car has synthetic leather or vinyl leather. There's a lot of vehicles out there. The leather is not true real leather, but it's designed to look like leather. But nobody has to know that that leather isn't real leather. Just go ahead and buy some Masterson's leather scented air freshener, spray it on the inside of the car, and bam, it actually smells like real leather. Like turn your Honda Civic into smelling like a Rolls Royce. It's a great way to make your car smell great. So with this three-peat combo right here, the cleaner, the conditioner, and then following up with the leather scented air freshener, this is a great way to keep your vehicles looking great. And we have all the accessories to make this happen as well. So when you have your leather cleaner, I like to use microfiber towels and brushes. This is our boar's hair brush, leather brush, and then this is also our horsehair professional brush. I love using this to clean smaller areas like in between the cracks, get the dirt out. I also like to use our Masterson's original yellow microfiber towels with our leather cleaner. I always choose yellow microfiber towels to use with our leather cleaner. That way, if I'm cleaning the leather, I see the dirt coming off and make sure that it's not dye. You don't want to over clean your leather, scrub too hard, because you can actually take the dye off. So you want to be gentle with your leather, and this helps you make sure that you're being gentle and you're not cleaning too hard. Now our leather conditioner, you can always use one of our microfiber applicator pads. These are an extra soft microfiber applicator pad. All you do is you put a few dots on and you rub it into the leather and let it sink in, and then you buff it off using one of our original yellow microfiber towels. And then you have perfectly great leather. So if you have a classic car that you want to keep looking great, or you have a new car that you just got and you want to maintain the vehicle on your daily driver, it's best to invest in a nice set of leather care products. And you can pick up all the accessories and leather care products that we offer right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, I hope you learned something about cleaning leather and taking care of your leather, because I want to make sure that your leather stays looking good for years. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.